So I will admit, as of late, I got pretty sick, so this video is probably just going to be a short and sweet little recap on things I'm doing and stuff like that. I probably ended up sneezing at least like 50 times.
Hey, you. You're finally awake.
Hi. Me again. Guess what? I totally forgot my GoPro, so I'm recording on my phone. That's alright. Anyway, I got a lot of the screws removed from the overcab area. And right down there, you see the window's gone. So that's cool. There's a whole lot of rot, a whole lot of wood that's kind of going away, so I gotta basically rebuild the whole thing. And because I didn't bring my GoPro, this episode is going to be a little bit more of a montage. So yeah, I did a little bit of off-camera work and tore the thing apart, looked at some of the rot, and it was pretty bad. It was pretty bad. Some of it being held together by a door hinge. Like, yeah.
What is that?
It's not good.
What the fuck is that?
Not good at all. But, you know, I'm tearing into it, and some of the boards don't look too bad. I think I might just stitch some parts in, and obviously I'll remember to bring my GoPro next time. But, yeah. Like a good friend of mine said, the more I started looking into this thing, the more I found. And what I found indeed, this wood looks like it's been soaked in water for many years, so definitely gonna have to rebuild that overcab area. Honestly, the more that I look at this project, it's as if I'm building an entire house from scratch. But I have good news. I finally decided to actually check the temperature of the fridge because I don't trust just my gut. And yeah, that freezer got cold enough that I could totally just freeze stuff. You know, do freezer stuff. Be very cold if I wanted to, that kind of thing. And like I said, this video is a little bit more of a short one because, you know, it was my birthday and really trying to take it easy sometimes and have fun with it. You know, that kind of thing. But with that, ta-ta.
But I'm afraid you'll just have to wait.
I hate waiting.